Train your dog confidently with the Drroon Dog Shock Collar, designed for large and medium dogs weighing 40 to 120 pounds. It offers 4 training modes: beep, vibration, shock, and shock boost, plus 3 channels to train up to 3 dogs at once. The vivid icon display on both collar and remote ensures clear, real-time feedback during sessions. Built tough with IP68 waterproofing and a 2,300 feet remote range, this collar works anywhere, from parks to beaches. Safety lock features prevent accidental commands, while a fast 1.5-hour USB recharge powers up to 30 days of use. If you want effective, reliable training gear, this collar is worth a look.